Hi, and thanks for logging on to the Daily Dvar. And here's a brand new halacha for you. It's for Wednesday, the 28th day of November. Here we go. You know that on Purim, of course, everybody knows that there's a huge mitzvah to have a seuda, and we eat a big festive meal. It's one of the laws of Purim. On Hanukkah, there doesn't seem to be, you don't hear a lot about a stress about having a Hanukkah seuda, and we should define as our halacha as to why it is so. One explanation that's given is simple, and that is because, you see, on Hanukkah, well, let's start with Purim. On Purim, they were out to destroy the Jewish people, physically. Haman wanted every Jew killed, okay? So since the Jewish body was actually out to be crushed, killed, ruined, annihilated, so when we celebrate the victory of Purim, what we do is we celebrate with our bodies, and we eat, and we drink, and we're festive because our bodies, our physical lives were on the line, and now we're saved, and so we have a physical seuda, and we eat food and all that. When it comes to Hanukkah, the focus was different. The Syrian Greeks were basically interested in not killing the Jewish people, but assimilating their souls. They wanted our Judaism to disappear. Therefore, it's much more appropriate on Hanukkah that we celebrate in spiritual ways. Hence, we, for example, say Hallel on the days of Hanukkah, whereas you won't find that on the days of Purim. Hallel is a singing out of the soul of the Jewish spirit, and that's what really survived through the miracles of Hanukkah. Therefore, there is not exactly a mitzvah to have the body celebrate as in having a Hanukkah seuda. Mind you, now that I've told you that, I also got to tell you that some opinions still say that it's appropriate to have at least some form of seuda on Hanukkah, and that's because it also coincides with the time when there was a Chanukas HaMizbeach, a dedication of the Mizbeach, the altar in the temple, and that occurred at this time. In deference to that, it would make more sense for us to, yes, have a seuda. And in order to fulfill both possibilities, in other words, the opinion that maybe there shouldn't be a seuda and the opinion that there should, is to eat a seuda anyway, and to make sure to say words of Torah and sing Jewish songs at the seuda, then it becomes a seudas mitzvah, and then by all counts, whenever you're having mitzvahs at your seuda, it's most appropriate to have one. That's your law for today. Thanks for logging on. More Hanukkah laws coming at you the next few days. Bye-bye.